Meanwhile, I get ready to make an attack. And that's that thing that told us. I just hate when people tell my name, even though I say, even though I'm not even raising my feet. And next, I hear my students ask them, like, do you not have anything? Or, like, this is one of my friends I know, because, like, one of my friends, I don't like them. What are you doing? You know? Because someone accuses me for doing something I didn't even do. Like, what have you done? Well, if I was doing something, excuse me. For doing something I didn't even do. Like, they say, like, the other day, and they didn't even write their names down. The teacher already knew or something, you know what I mean? And when we got to higher school and someone, they just said, hey, why did you hear that from me out loud? To think, like, I just told them instead of higher school. But, like, what am I gonna do? That doesn't mean that easy for doing something I hate. Like, let's say, like, they say we're not allowed to say stuff. Yeah, we're not. I'm not saying it's not. And then they said that in the next day, we're writing